Yeah, I've had about between 6 and 9 hernia surgeries. And I just kept hurting and hurting. And then it got to not only in the front, but I got to hurting on my side. And it was just excruciating. And all the doctors that I went to, my primary care, my pain specialist, they did everything they could for me. I've had my nerves burnt, I've had them lasered, I've had epidurals, I've had shots in all parts of the back and the side, and I've had CT scans, I've had MRIs, and nothing could be found. I started hurting, well, my first surgery was in 2000, and then, like I said, I've had between 6 and 9 surgeries now, and I really started hurting about 2005. And I've gone to 2 different pain doctors because of my insurance and because of my primary care. That's who they sent me to. And when nothing could be done, well, and then where I work, I have a nurse there that got involved because of how much I've been going to the doctors. I was going over everything, and she said, there's nothing else that can be offered to you. The pain specialist said there's nothing more he could do for me. And my primary care said he doesn't know where for me to go. And they suggested that since nothing is helping me, that I go find a new doctor. And then I got to talking to them, and they said, well, try Dr. Kukurin and see what he thinks on acupuncture. So I went to Dr. Jack because Dr. Kukurin was out, and that was not helping me. So when Dr. Kukurin came back, he said, let's try a unit that he has, a galvanized unit. And oh, the miracle was it works. I don't hurt. I ended up buying the machine, having it programmed for me. And if I do start hurting, I can put that on me. I can go days without hurting. I'm taking less pain medicine. My primary care doctor is just tickled to death. He cannot believe how much better I'm doing. Okay, when I first started coming, I was running about an 8 or 9. That's even taken my pain medicine, which has been increased to Vicodin 10s. And I was taking them 3 times a day. So now I'm down to 1.5 Vicodin a day, if that. And now I'm about, if I do my treatments, I'm down to about pain level of 2 or 3. So I'm very pleased. And what a difference. You just don't hurt anymore. And if I do start hurting, it just takes me a minute to connect the 3 wires and I'm ready to go again. And the easy part of it is you can work with it on, you can do housework with it on, you can sit, you don't have to lay. And it's just been a miracle thing for me, considering all I've hurt through all these years.
First, want to get confirmation from you that it's okay if Dr. Kukurin uses your video testimonial on his website, perhaps on his YouTube account, or to instruct other doctors, if that's okay.
Fine.